If you only have one bank account, there's a good chance your money system is broken. Not because one bank account is bad, but because it forces you to make every decision off that one number. And that one habit is why so many people who make good money still feel broke. The problem isn't usually income, it's that your money has no structure. Most people were never taught how to structure their money. So they default to this one bank account, one balance, everything in, everything out. Your paycheck hits, rent comes out, bills comes out, groceries, gas, any extra spending, all from the same place. It feels simple, but it creates a hidden problem. Every time you look at your balance, you're asking, can I afford this? But your bank account can't answer that. It just shows you a number, and that number lies to you. So let's make this real. So you have $2,100 in your account. $1,250 is already for rent. $320 is for bills. $200 is for groceries. So in reality, you don't have $2,100. You have about $350. But your brain doesn't see that. It sees the full amount, especially if everything hasn't come out as yet. So what do? You spend like you have more. And when the real expenses hit, you feel behind. It's not because you're irresponsible, it's because your system is unclear. And unclear systems create stress. There's a concept in behavioral finance, and it's called mental accounting. It means your brain naturally separates money into categories. There's rent money, food money, fun money. But when everything sits in one account, those categories don't exist in real life. So your brain starts guessing. And most of the time it's wrong. And that's why people who make good money still feel broke. It's not the income, it's the structure. And here's the shift. You don't fix this with more discipline. You fix it with a better system. So here's the system. 3 accounts, each with a different job. It's not complicated. You have the operating account. This is your command center, where your paycheck lands. Your needs will come out of here, like rent, utilities, car payments. But here's the difference. You don't wait to spend and then pay the bills. You set up automatic transfers the same day you get paid. So before you even think about spending, your obligations are already handled. Number 2 is the lifestyle account. This is for your day-to-day money, your food, your gas, shopping, and your hobbies. A set amount gets transfers here every paycheck. This is your spending limit, not your total balance. And here's the rule. When this account reaches zero, you stop. There's no guilt, no stress, no extra math needed, because everything has already been planned. Number 3 is a wealth account. This is for your future. A percentage of every paycheck must come in here automatically and comes before you touch it. This is where you'll save, where you will invest, where you build your future. And it doesn't need to be big. You can start off with $50 or $100, because what really matters is the consistency. Small deposits done consistently is what builds true wealth. So let's connect all of this. Your paycheck hits your operating account. Your bills are covered. Money flows straight into your wealth account, and money flows into your lifestyle account. Now, when you check your spending account, you know exactly where you stand. There's no more guessing, no extra stress, no more wondering, can I afford this? And if you want to know how much to put in each account, I made another video breaking all of this down. Now, here's a few things that trip people up. Mistake number 1, still doing extra spending from the operating account. If you do that, you break the system. Operating account is not for everyday spending. It's for structure and your needs. Mistake number 2 is not automating transfer. If you rely on willpower, you will fail. Automation removes decision fatigue. Mistake number 3 is making the lifestyle account too big. If you give yourself too much, you still feel broke. This system works because of boundaries. Mistake number 4 is ignoring the wealth account early. So you say, I'll invest later. I'll save when I make more money. That delays cost you years. Because remember, even the small amounts is what truly matter. Here's the part most people miss. The system doesn't just organize your money, it changes your behavior because now the environment is doing the extra work for you. You don't have to do anything about should I spend this? You already know. And when you remove that constant decision making, something shifts. You feel more in control. Not because you make more money, but because your money finally makes sense. And that's the real goal. If this clicked for you, the next step isn't more accounts. It's fixing the habits that keep breaking your system. In the next video, I'm breaking down the 7 habits that quietly keep people broke, even when they make good money. Watch that next, because once you fix your system and your habits, everything else gets easier. And remember, small moves leads to big work. I'll see you in the next one.